Man, I found a couple old cool pipes. Look at this. Look at this. Little P-lip on it. There ain't no markings on it though. I can't tell you. Quiet bird. I can't tell you who in the world made this thing, but look. I mean, I found that at an old antique store. Look at this one. This is a Smokemaster Series 100. I mean, you know, that's... It's nice. Welcome back to House of Manners, everybody. I'm your host, Robert. Glad you're here. Today's video, just a quick short one. Got a couple things to talk about, some housekeeping, and just to kind of give you some information that's coming up for a couple things. I apologize, my garage door is open. It's nice. I'm getting ready to smoke a cigar, and it's beautiful, and the birds are chirping, cars are driving by, kids are playing, so if you hear background noise, I apologize. Just a real quick video to give you some order of business coming up. This Monday is episode 4, Idiots with Manners. Scott Rollins, Jeremiah Ford, myself will be hosting Idiots with Manners on Idiots with Class channel. Check that out, 8 o'clock-ish. We've only been doing 8:30. I think we're going to try, and I say try, we're going to try to do 8 to go a little earlier. We want to go a little longer this time. I think we would do it about an hour. We're talking about maybe doing an hour and a half. We think that's a little bit longer time, especially for what we want to cover. If you want to join us, you can actually smoke the same thing that we're going to be smoking. That's why I want to kind of give you a heads up. So if you want to enjoy the same thing we're doing, all three of us on Monday will be smoking the My Father 1922 La Bijou. Cigar Aficionado's Cigar of the Year 2015. It is a fantastic, full-bodied, full-flavored cigar. If you've not had it and you like cigars, you have to try it. It's absolutely fantastic. Might be a little rushed before Monday, but it's okay. Anyway, that's what we're going to be doing, and we're inviting you to smoke with us if you want. We're also going to be talking about pairing and a bunch of other things as well, but Scott and I are going to be surprised. Jeremiah is mailing us a secret whiskey that we don't know what it is, and he wants to see how we feel about pairing that whiskey with this specific cigar. And we have all kinds of other topics and things we're going to talk about. Actually, Jeremiah will be hosting this week, and he's going to be covering all the topics. So really, really looking forward to that. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Hope you can join us. What else we got going on? I just got a package in the mail. Big John from the Niall of Nine. That's right, one of my favorite small blenders. Got the 2 newest ones. We got the much anticipated Lake Town. Everybody's been wanting this. This is the first blend by Niall of Nine that has a Lord of the Rings theme. Really, really looking forward to trying this. And then this is also the other special release called Scourge of God. And so looking forward to trying that as well. For those of you that do not know, I am an absolute fanboy of Niall of Nine. I love the Niall of Nine. I have pretty much every single thing that Niall of Nine has put out since I discovered him. I missed probably the first year he was putting out blends, unfortunately. So there's like a year of blends I don't have. There's a Christmas blend called Marley something that if any of y'all have out there and you want to send me some, I would not be sad. I never beg for blends, but that's actually one that I'm dreaming of having one day. So if anybody has any left over that you're not a fan of, or if you just want to be nice, please send it my way. I would love to have some. That's like my dream, is to have some of that. What else? I think it's about all. We got some big things coming up, guys. I am planning some videos that are taking a little longer to produce and make, but I'm excited about them. I'm excited about the opportunity to make them. We're going to be diving into some subjects that are things I really enjoy, that are more geared toward the gentlemanly lifestyle, which I'm really looking forward to sharing with you guys. And so got some big plans, got some possible big news coming up. I'll tuck that away for now, but some pretty big news that I'm really, really excited about. And also working in the process, we've got some merch that we are in prototype working on right now with a few things, some hats, some shirts, possibly a YTPC smoking jacket. That's correct. We are working in the process of trying to come up with a plan for that right now, which I am very excited about. The preliminary drawings of what we're working on looks pretty cool. The question will be, can we get these done affordable? And so I will definitely touch base with you, all you out there who are interested in that. We will get together on that at some point in time. But for now, we're in the prototype phase. We're in the discussion phase on what we were trying to find. So we've got some cool things going on though. It's good times, and I'm having a blast connecting with all of you and just enjoying the conversations I'm having. And so that's it. That's all I got. Hope you're having a good week. I'm sure I will see all of you guys at some point in time this weekend. Until next time, we'll see you on the next video. Peace.